Rehabilitation of runway is now completed to accommodate heavy lifters of the U.S. and allies. Hello, welcome to our channel. Before we start, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. On November 6, 2023, the Philippine Air Force received the completed runway expansion and rehabilitation at Basa Air Base. The runway restoration, which cost 1.3 billion pesos and was funded in part by the U.S. government under EDCA, is thought to be the largest EDCA-related project to date. Larger aircraft, such as the USAF transport aircraft Lockheed C-5 Galaxy and Boeing C-17A Globemaster III, can now land on the new runway, which also boasts better safety features. It is anticipated that these transport planes will touch down at Basa Air Base in times of need to deliver supplies, as well as for regular military drills involving U.S. and Philippine forces. Other large aircraft, such as the Boeing C-17, a Globemaster III of the Royal Australian Air Force, of which the Philippines has a VFA, and the Kawasaki C-2 aircraft of the Japan Air Self-Defense Force, with which the Philippines is negotiating a RAA VFA-like agreement, will also be able to operate on the runway. During the handover ceremony, the PAF also received a brand new R-11 aircraft refueling truck. With a 23,000-liter aviation fuel capacity, the truck serves as the U.S. Air Force's main refueling vehicle. Slowly but surely, EDCA sites development are now in full swing. What heavy lifters do you think will land first on the runway? A C-5 Galaxy or C-17 Globemaster? Write your comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.